Humber Bachelor of Engineering Sustainable Building Engineering program equips students with the skill to create smarter, greener, and more resilient community.
From the design stage through to construction and the operation of the buildings. Things about the materials that the buildings are made of, the way that they're constructed, the environmental impact, and the energy required in operating the building after it's built.
At Humber Polytechnic, all the buildings are living labs actually. So we have those kind of experiences at Humber that we did it by ourselves, and now we share it with our students.
The courses give you a really good experience and gives you all the basic knowledge that you need.
The fact that this program has a co-op is one of the big factors in why I chose it. It was really interesting to me that we are going to get industry experience while we're studying. And so once we graduate, we already have that experience going into the field. And I feel like that gives us leverage over other programs that don't have that option.
What I get from the industry partners and from the communities that are participating in applied research is that the students from Humber are ready to be in the industry and they are willing to face all the challenges that the industry can have.
Sustainability is on the rise now, and it's something that's really big in these times. I have a passion for sustainability, and I also have a passion for building. So getting both combined is, the best of both worlds.
If you want to make this world a bit better, a bit greener, I think that's a great program because of that.